Have you ever wondered where is the heart of essence? Let us take you on a journey to experience firsthand the production process of Brand's Essence of Chicken. First, we mince the chicken meat, then cook it for up to 10 hours at very high temperatures under high pressure. This breaks down the proteins into molecules which everyone can easily digest and absorb. Next, we remove all the fat and cholesterol using a high-speed precision centrifugation. Then, we remove excess water, increase the concentration 3 to 4 times that of normal chicken soup, sealing in the nutrients with no added salt. Our quality assurance team checks every bottle to ensure the right consistency of concentration, colour and nutritional value. The essence of chicken is filtered and goes into sterilised bottles, which are then vacuum sealed using a patented triple safety cap. Because every bottle of Brand's Essence of Chicken is sterilised to ensure there is no microbiological activity, no preservatives are needed. Before packing, all Brand's Essence of Chicken undergo 100% check for impurities using infrared lights. Using a high-tech vacuum technology, each bottle of Brand's Essence of Chicken is verified for its optimal quality before leaving the factory. Finally, every bottle is labelled and stamped with its batch code and expiry date, ready to be sent around the world. We trust this natural goodness will fuel you for any challenges that test your mind and body.